for a while. How was the weather in Vietnam, Keo? Is it good now?
Yes.
It's still raining?
No, it's not raining.
It's not raining anymore? Because I
Yes.
saw in the internet that there are places who has flood in Vietnam. I hope everything is okay there.
Yeah.
Okay, wait for a while. I'm still searching something here. I have reading beauty. Because the internet is not good today. So, what did you do today in school?
I learned and I play with my friends.
Wow, that's good to hear. Again, you play with your friends.
Yeah.
That's good. We'll be learning one lesson only today.
What?
One lesson today, right? Today
Yeah.
we learn one lesson.
Then we finish at what time?
Finish at 7:40. Am I correct?
Here is 6:56.
We finish at 7:40, okay? Am I correct? 7:40, we need to finish. I'm
Okay.
correct.
Yeah.
I hope everything is good in Vietnam. Because I saw in the internet the weather is not really good there. And I think a lot
Yeah.
of people, or I saw in the TV, a lot of people in Vietnam, they are having a hard time with the
Yeah.
flood.
In Miền Trung, the house is broken.
Yeah.
And
Where is
have
it?
a house.
Is it far in your place?
I in Vũng Tàu, but there is Miền Trung.
Yeah, it's very far from your house.
I don't know. Yeah. Wow.
But you are safe there. Are you okay? No rain?
Yeah, it's no rain.
Wow, that's good to hear. Wait, what happened with this here? I couldn't open my... Mm. So, Minchon, that's the place? It's far?
Yeah.
Minchon.
Yeah.
It's a city or not a city?
It's not a city.
Mm. don't know what happened with this video for a while. We just wait this. Can you wait for a while?
Yes.
I just wait for teacher. I don't know why I can open my camera. It's here. Okay, it's here. What is that, Keo? What are you playing? What are you playing? What's this? What's this? Okay, here, Kayo, we have now in writing process. Okay, so, oh, well, we're done with this, with the writing, right? Just this last night.
Teacher, may I go out?
Okay, for a while you can go, and then please. Okay. Okay, Keo.
Yes.
So we have here. So we have here some new words. We are now supplemental reading 2, reading 1. Okay. So in astronaut here we can see that we have new words. You know the word astronaut?
Yes.
Okay, space. You know this word?
Yes.
Spaceship.
Yes.
Orbit.
No.
Okay, orbit. It is where you can, okay, the word orbit, it is where the earth here. This is the earth and there is a circle with that. It is where does earth rotate. The earth rotates on the orbit. Okay, the earth will move or turn in the orbit. Okay, rise and set. You know that? Sunrise and sunset. The sun will rise and the sun will set.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. The force of gravity. You know the force of gravity? It's in the science.
No.
Or the gravitational force. Okay, I will be here. Here.
I just know jelly bean.
That?
Jelly bean.
Okay. Gravity here, or the gravitational, the force of gravity is a physical connection between space and the matter that is precisely described by Einstein. Okay, so look at this. Okay, example. What is gravitational force? Okay, so the force of gravity, this is a lesson in science. This is the lesson, the force that hold the gases in the sun, the force that causes a ball you threw in the air to come down again, the force that causes a car to coast downhill even when you aren't stepping on the gas, the force that causes a glass you drop to fall on the floor. Okay, so we have here some of the gravity. Example, this one. Okay. First is the force that causes a car to coast downhill even when you aren't stepping on the gas. Like that, when the car go up, even you are not stepping on the gas, it seems that the car goes up and up and up. It's because of the gravity. We call it KO as gravitational force. Okay. The force that causes a ball you throw in the air, if you throw a ball in the air, to come down again. Okay. When I throw something here, example, I will show the paper like this. Look at Keo. Oh.
Yes.
Oh, it threw, okay. Kung. Okay. Oh, I throw something. Why, when I threw something, why it comes back down? Because of gravity. So that's the force of the gravity. Do you understand? Okay.
Yes.
Another is the jelly bean. You know jelly bean? This is a
Yes.
food. It's a
Like,
foodie.
like the candy.
Yeah.
Like the candy, but it's like
very soft.
jelly.
Yeah, it's the candy and it's very soft. It's jelly bean. Okay. Work hard. Do you know the word work hard?
Yes.
Yeah, you will work hard. Okay. Special training. You know the special training? You know that word?
Yes.
Yeah, you have special training.
Yes.
When you will become an army, when you will become a cops or a police, you will have a special training. Research. You know the word research?
No.
Okay. Research means it's search. From the word search, you will have to find. Research is just look like to find. How about find out? You know find out?
Find out, yes.
Oh, yeah.
Like
Find out. Yeah. Example?
example, and find this
Hmm?
and find my lost Lego in the under the bed. Then
Yes.
I find out it.
And? And?
I don't have any example now.
Okay. So example. Example find out here. Okay. Kiyo is having the classmate is Kiyo. The classmate of Kiyo has a high score, big or high score, got perfect in the test. And then the teachers find out that the classmate of Kiyo is cheating. So he find out or she finds out that the classmate or her student is cheating. So that's a find out. How about award? Do you know
Not
the
cheating.
ah? How about award? Do you know the word award?
Yes.
Okay, like the one you have told me, it's trophy. It's like a cup, right? How about honors?
Yeah.
You know the word honors?
No.
Honors is just like award. If you are honor, like you will be high honors, so you will be have medal. You can get award. Honor example, you get a very or you are the most or the smartest in your class. So you will be top honor. So you can get award. Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Commit. You know the word commit?
Comic.
Yeah.
No.
Okay. Commit means, what does it mean? Commit. I will commit mistakes. I will commit mistakes. Keo is scared today because he commit a mistakes. He has a mistake or he get mistakes or he has a mistake. Okay, commit. You understand that?
Yeah, I have a mistake.
Okay, commit. Okay. Committing a sin is just normal. If you commit a sin, if you commit mistakes, that's normal. Okay, next. Okay, here. Okay, here. We will going to read a story about Sally's ride. Okay, Sally's ride in the astronaut, in the space. Okay, can you read this?
Sally Ride was an astronaut. She was the first American woman to travel into the space. She left us on June 8,
18.
1983.
Yeah.
She came on June 24th. She traveled with four another astronauts in the spaceship Challenger. Challenger arrival Earth.
Orbited.
Think orbits something is go around it. How long did it take Challenger to orbit Earth? It only take took
90.
19 minutes.
Wow.
Challenger orbit
Challenging.
Earth 16 times in just one day. It means that White saw a sunrise and set 16 times in one day.
Oh, wow. Sally Ride was an astronaut. My God. She was the first American woman to travel into space. Oh, first. She left Earth on June 18, 1983. She came back on June 24. She traveled with four other astronauts in the spaceship Challenger. Challenger orbited the Earth. Okay, the Challenger, or the four of them orbited the Earth. They go around the Earth. When something orbits something, it goes around it. So they go around the Earth, they move. How long did it take Challenger to orbit the Earth? How long? How long did they turn around the Earth? How long did the 4 astronauts turn around the Earth? It took only 90 minutes, or that was roughly 1 hour and 30 minutes. Okay. Challenger orbited Earth 16 times. Okay, 16 times. They do it 16 times. So this meant that Ride or Sally Ride saw the sun rise and sunset 16 times in one day. Oh my God. So she was able to saw the sunrise and sunset 16 times because she traveled 16 times, Keo. Do you understand me?
Yes.
Okay. How many minutes that the Challenger took to orbit the Earth? How many?
It's just 90 minutes.
Very good. And then how many times did we orbit the Earth?
Orbit.
Yeah, how many times?
Is 16.
Yeah, it's 16. And that's the reason they can saw 16 sunrise and 16
Yes.
sunset. Okay, how many Challenger who traveled in the space, in the Earth, who orbit the Earth? How many?
4.
Yeah, very good. And when was the left? The left on when?
June 18.
And came back?
1983 and came back at June 24.
Very good. Okay, here, let's continue. Okay, teacher Anne will be the one to read. Ride like being an astronaut. Okay, Sally writes to be an astronaut. She liked being in a space. She liked how it felt when the force of gravity was not pulling her down. Without the force of gravity, she could float. Yeah, of course. When there is no gravity, here, you know what? Why is it that although we cannot float? Because there is gravity. That's the reason why if we throw something like that, it will goes back down because of the gravity. But then, Sally really loved to be in the space because she could float. Why do you think she could float, Theo? Why?
Because she is in the space.
Yeah, she is in the space and there is no
gravity.
Yeah, very good. There is no force of the gravity. She floated from place to place. While in space, she played a game to catch jelly beans. The jelly beans also were floating too. Oh, it's floating. Ride had to catch the jelly beans with her mouth. Ah, like that. Oh, like that. She go like that because, yeah, like that. Because she's floating, because she's in space. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Now, Sally Ride worked hard to become an astronaut. You know why? She went to school for many years. She had to have special training to become astronaut. The training was hard work. Ride or Sally was a good astronaut. She went into space 2 times. Sally Ride then became a teacher. She wrote books and helped direct space research. When you research something, you study it. You try to find out new things about it. Sally Ride received several awards and honors for her work and continues to be committed to science education. So after that, aside from being an astronaut, Sally is also a
teacher.
Yeah, she is a teacher, a science teacher. She wrote and read a lot of books because she do research because she go to the space how many times? Two times. And she tried to find out new things about it. That's why she become a science teacher. Okay, here. So this story, I will ask you questions. This story is mainly about what?
A woman astronaut.
A woman. Very good. It's about Sally Ride. A woman astronaut. Next. Very good. Next. What statement is true? Can you pick what statement is true? Sally Ride wrote books in a cave. Sally Ride did not like being an astronaut. Sally Ride went into space 2 times. Or Sally Ride liked the force of gravity in the space.
C.
Yeah, it's letter C. She went to the space 2 times. Okay, next. If you wanted to find out more about space travel, you might blank it. What? Research, orbit,
Research,
travel, or float. Okay, very good. You might research about the space travel. Very good. Good job. 3 correct. How long was Ride in space the first time? How long? She went to 16, 18, and she went back 24. How many days is that?
16 days.
Okay, let's see.
16 days.
Yeah, it's 6 days. She traveled there for 6 days. That was 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, 24. So 6 days. She went there June 18, and she came back at June 24. That was 6 days. June 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, 24. So 6 days. Okay, next. What did Sally Ride do become an astronaut? What did Sally Ride do to become an astronaut? Slept all day? Work hard? Went to the gym? Yeah, work hard. Next. What could Sally Ride do without the force of gravity? What could Sally Ride do without the force of gravity?
Float.
Yeah, she can float. Very good, Kia. Next. What did Sally Ride do after going into space 2 times? Became a teacher, float, got married, or did business? Became a teacher. She became a science teacher. Okay, here. Look up here the useful structure. Okay. It takes somebody blank to do something. Someone worked hard to do something. Look at this one. Someone worked hard to do something. Okay? Meaning, look at the meaning. Is it in Vietnamese? I work hard to become a teacher. Okay. Someone worked hard to do something. I work hard to become a teacher. I work hard to become an astronaut. Sally worked hard to become astronaut. Okay, do you understand it, Kia?
Yes.
Okay, now, how long did he take to do his homework? Okay,
it takes an hour.
Okay, what's the correct answer? It takes only 1 hour. It takes, or what's that? What's the correct?
A.
Letter A, this one. It takes only 1 hour.
It takes an hour.
How long did, that's past tense. How long did he take to do his homework?
Take an hour.
Right there. It takes an hour, it took an hour. What's the correct?
It took an hour.
Okay, letter B. It took because this is past tense. Did. Look at that one. It did. Past tense. So that is why it took. Next. How could he get 10 points on his math exams? How could he get 10 points on his math exams? How could he get 10 points on his math exam? What is it? It's letter
D.
Okay, it's letter D. Okay, letter C. It's good, past tense. He worked hard to get high score. Okay, it's okay, Kayo. It's past tense. That is why you have to answer past tense. Next. Okay, what's that? Why? Wait for a while.
Bye.
Not yet, Kayo. Why it's lost?
It's all.
Okay, here.
See you. Goodbye. Because it's done. Because you say just one lesson. Goodbye.
It's one lesson. Okay, tomorrow we're going to continue this. Tomorrow we have to add one lesson, okay? Okay, for now, bye to you.
It's just 7.
Yeah, bye-bye.